my goodness. Ridiculous. Hey guys, it's your girl Tiffany Cody from my channel. Hey, what's up? And if you're a return subscriber, hey, what's poppin'? So I'm back, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I achieved this install. Super quick, super easy, beginner friendly, very much so like lazy girl, you know, level. This lace does not have any makeup or anything like that, as you guys will see in the video. And yeah, I absolutely love it. I really do love it. So yeah, let's get to the video. Alright, so I went ahead and I apply my wig cap. So a little detail about this wig is this is a 13x6 frontal. I did not bleach the knot. I want this video to be very much so lazy girl friendly. I know personally, I myself have some lazy days where it's just like I want a bomb ass install, but I don't really want to like take my time with it or like do all the necessary steps. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do when I want a flawless install, but I don't want to like bleach the knots or anything like that. So I'm gonna put this on my head. And the lace is already, usually I don't cut the lace before I put any wig on, but I started installing this wig yesterday, and so trying to clip the hair out of my face. I try to start plucking this wig. Like I said, I was going to install it last night, but the wig came pre-plucked, but I wanted to like customize it to my whole hairline, and I kind of like ripped the lace, but that's going to be fine. So this is my thing now. I have two options of glue. I can either use the Kiss Almighty bond, or I can do the spray. I think I'm just going to use the glue, and I'm going to do one layer. So you can just squeeze it up like this, and so you just want to put a thin layer, and usually I just average about how far I'm gonna bring the wig out on my forehead. So okay, so my only thing is when pulling the lace, I have to be very gentle because the lace is very thin and rips very easily. And I'll just take and comb the lace down into my skin using the back of the comb to like really press the glue in. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the very same thing on this side. And I know a lot of people use a finger tip or their nails. I don't like doing that. I feel like I get the best results with the comb. Okay. So the clip is here, that's why. Okay. So, and then I'm just gonna move on to the other side. Literally just one layer of glue, just like this. And I'm happy that I decided to use this glue at least this way. I don't know, I feel like the control on it is way better because of the applicator. And it dries super quick. I don't really necessarily have to use a blow dryer or anything else. So I'm just gonna wait for this to turn clear. And I think I want that layered effect hairstyle. I think that's what I want to do. I'm not adding anymore. I'm just smoothing it out. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing on this side. Alright, so I went ahead, parted out my baby hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my olive oil hairspray. And I'm just going to be spraying across my hairline. And I'm going to put my headband or my elastic band on to, like, you know, melt the lace a little bit more into my skin. This step is not really necessary. This is just something I like to do, just to help the lace melt. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Okay, so while the lace is melting, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some layers to this wig. As you guys can see, it already has some layer. That's how it came, but I want it a little bit more, like, you know, defined. So this is the baby hair. So I'm gonna just I'm just gonna go ahead and take my olive oil jelly, and I'm gonna use this to slightly lay my edges. Just gonna plop that on. And I'm really just taking a little bit. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my sideburns and then thin it out.
Say that I've been acting different, yeah. Funny how I finally flipped the script on you. You the one who's double dipping, yeah. You so sloppy how I caught you slipping up. You're off the lease. Run me my keys. No more popping up the heater, yeah.
Okay, so I went ahead and I just tied down my baby hair. Ooh. So this is what my baby hair look like. And I don't know why, but for some reason I am not getting my hair to be like my part to be super straight. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and take some of the hairspray and spray it on the top just to keep any flyaways down. And I also went ahead and straighten out the parting. But yeah. Ooh. Ooh, oh my god. Oh my goodness. You're off the lease. Run me my keys. No more popping up the heater, yeah. I ain't even got the mouse to trip on you. New phone. Who is this? Brand new. Okay guys, so this is basically the finished look. I actually do like the way it looks. I'm not gonna do any more tweaking to it. And like I said, it is a 13 by 6, so I have like space to part it elsewhere. And I did not put any foundation on my hairline or anything like that. This is just how the lace look. I didn't really do that much plucking. So this was very much so like beginner, lazy girl type friendly. If you want like a flawless install but don't really want to like put in all the extra work, this will be the video for you. And as you guys can see, I didn't use any hot tools either, so that was even a plus. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscription button, turn that post notification bell, tell a friend to tell a friend, and I'll see you guys in my next video.